It's your boy JB, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504, Jeezy from the Big Easy to welcome y'all back to the showroom. And today got another Lidshd HD boxing for y'all. But before I get into it, I'd like y'all to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and follow me on all my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description below. And I wanted to get this one out the way because I've been getting a slew of boxes coming in. And I don't want to be behind too much. I know what this is. So recently there were three different drops. Let's just go ahead and call it the ice cream pack. We had three. We had banana split, we had the chocolate mint, and we also had the Neapolitan. This one I know for sure is the Neapolitan. I already opened the banana split thinking there was another one. I completely passed on that chocolate mint one. Wasn't really feeling it. I got enough hats that have mint. It basically was just a mint and brown two-tone, but I didn't really need it. And another thing, I feel like if push comes to shove, I can actually get that down the road. But in any case, let's go ahead and get into this. So as y'all can see, this is two boxes, but this is three hats. And from the weight of this, I already know which one this is. And so I'm gonna open this one first. So let me grab my trusty blade. Get this open here, and always cut away, people. There we go. Get the sides. Hope everybody's having a good day. I actually got a lot of other ones I gotta actually unbox too. And I'm gonna be dropping that, probably gonna do another haul video, but I do want to get some of these specialty releases out the way first, so bear with me, people. Got a couple shoe reviews too. And that right there, y'all can see, bag like the last drop. And I got a couple other ones that are sitting right here in the cut as well. Get on this one right here. See Lidshd HD. And how much I paid on this one, does it tell me? Well, I was able to get it for a discount, so it's not telling me the price. But as y'all know, bam, we have the LA Dodgers in the Neapolitan colorway. As y'all can see right there, we have a completely off-white color right here, color scheme right there. As y'all can pay attention to that. We have a brown LA logo, brown New Era logo. We have a raised Batterman outlined in pink. We have Neapolitan colors in that Batterman as well. We have the beautiful 100th anniversary patch right there as well, done up in that Neapolitan colorway, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. Very nice how they coordinated this one right here. We have a brown UV, white guts, all the tagging and labeling. You know me being a Dodgers fan, I had to have my hand on this one. Definitely needed this one in the collection, but I kind of went a little overboard on it, and I'm not too much harping on it because I definitely like the actual initial release of these. And for one, I actually was going for these two right here because I thought those had doper side patches, even though, you know, I love a good 100th anniversary with the Dodgers. One of my favorite patches as well, next to the 1988, but you know, I wanted a little diversity, especially with the patches, so I went ahead and copped two other ones, as y'all can see right here. Getting to this one right here. And I think these two were, in my personal opinion, these were the gems of the pack. Sometimes they do certain hats with certain patches, and I feel like they stand out a little bit more than others. As y'all can see, this is wrapped. So this is the other two from that same pack, same colorway, but I really just got it because of the patch. And I'm gonna do this one first because this one is actually like, as y'all can see, bam, we have the Los Angeles or the California Angels Neapolitan colorway, and as y'all can see right there, that one actually has an outline in pink A with the halo as well, and it is in brown. As y'all can see, Everything's similar to the Dodgers logo except for the side patch. As y'all can see right there, we have the Angels logo right there, and it has all those little colors in there. We have a little bit of the light pink, and we have the baseball stitching done in a darker pink, like a little fuchsia color right there as well, which is very nice in my personal opinion. The majority of the patch is done in chocolate, as y'all can see right there. We do have the brown UV as well, same as the Dodgers, but I like the color placement on there as well. It really breaks it up very nicely. Like I said, the Dodgers one is nice. This one is nice. I just like the little subtleties they have in between this one and the other one. Like I said, it has that light chocolate backing on there, but it's outlining that dark chocolate. And it's the opposite right here. This one actually has light brown and a darker black brown background. Very, very dope in my opinion. But the one that definitely caught my eye the most was this one right here. And it is, man, I like this one. Bam! It is, it is the Milwaukee Braves 5950, as y'all can see right there. It did come in that beautiful same color scheme as the Dodgers, but like I said, some things stand out a little bit more. Same as the Dodgers. Logo is mono for the most part with brown, but it's the side patch that set this one off. I love how they did with this 1955 All-Star Game patch right there. Very, very nice. I love this big buckle looking patch right here. I wish they used this a little bit more, especially with the Minnesota, especially, my bad y'all, especially with the Milwaukee Braves logo. Very, very nice in my personal opinion. Man, dog, like this one is super, super nice, especially all the color placement, the detail in it. You probably can make out, yeah, it looks like an actual field right there. I like how they did this. And they did a good job of spreading out the colors on this one, if y'all can pay attention to that right there. Very, very nice in my personal opinion. But like I said, did I go overboard? Yeah, but like I said, I couldn't really pass up a good patch. But let me know in the comment section below what y'all think, man. Are these a hit or a miss? Did y'all cop, drop? Did y'all, are y'all even, what's the word? Getting used to the whole Lidshd HD thing? If you are, let me know in the comment section below. But as always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Did y'all which one of the hats in this drop was y'all favorite if y'all went for it? But let me know in the comment section below. As always, I deeply appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. I'm JC Baby, and we are in the showroom, and I'm out. You dig?